dropped a little bit more, actually, which puts it at about normal. So hopefully now, you know, the fish will acclimate a little more and get a little more active, you know. They haven't been too bad. I mean, I have no complaints at all. Been catching fish, getting bites, just like right now. But, you know, the fishing's been pretty decent. There's one. There's one. Oh, he came off. Son of a gun. That's always great. But, like I said, the fishing's been pretty decent. That was a pretty decent brown, really, as far as I'm concerned. I've actually been seeing quite a few browns surface right here, just since I've been standing here for about 5 minutes. I've actually had a couple really good bites in about 5 minutes, so we'll definitely pull something out of here for sure. Yeah, the weather's pretty decent, so I'm actually kind of starting to see the fish hit on the surface, so I might throw on a dry fly here pretty soon. If this orange soft hackle stops producing, I just might throw on a dry fly. But I keep getting these little strikes that keep me from putting on the dry fly. So I'm out here today, of course, as you can see, using my dragon tail Tenkara. Love this rod. So much fun. It's a lot of fun to use. You know, especially, you know, if you live like me, if you live, you know, next to a small river like this, as you can see, you know, it works really well. You know, you don't need to cast across the river. Like right now, I'm kind of standing in the center of it, and if I could, I would just work both sides of the river with this. But you know, it just works really well, and it's a lot of fun. When you get a fish, it just kind of, you know, especially if you get one that's a pretty decent size, you know, they put up a good fight, and it really is a lot of fun. You know, and that's what the fishing's supposed to be about. You know, fly fishing's supposed to be out having fun and, you know, just relaxing, and it's cool. It just, I found that, honestly, after I caught my first fish with this, I got addicted to it big time. Yeah, I'm starting to see a lot of bugs hitting the water and a lot of fish coming up for them, so I might put on a dry fly, which I don't do very often. I'm not really a dry fly fisherman, as I said, but, you know, I like to catch fish. Love to catch fish. I know I don't normally leave the camera on while I'm fishing. This time I figured, why not? Leave it on for a little bit. Another fun. Alright, another little guy. Super active. And line him in. Little rainbow. All right, there we go. Looks like a pretty good rainbow. Holy crap. It's a decent one. Really. It's a good rainbow. All right. Yeah, the fish are definitely getting way more active and they're fighting harder, and like this guy, he's just jumping around like crazy. All right. Pretty decent rainbow. Alright, let's let him go. Yeah. There he goes. Fish on underneath this bridge, and he's pretty jumpy. See if we can't move out from underneath the bridge here. Start walking him out a little bit. It's not huge, but makes it a little bit easier out here. Oh, a nice rainbow. Super nice rainbow. Oh, he came off. Yep. Damn it. I decided to throw on a dry fly, and we got one. Let's see if we can keep it on. Off this rod. Just a little guy. Can't believe he actually stayed on. It's hard when it's underneath this bridge.